Okay, this is day 3 of week 1 and I'm doing the first week twice and then we get on to a new set of exercises. So same as what we did before, Chris is going to do a little bit of demonstration, we're going to adapt it for me. It's the end of the first week, I'm still feeling tired, still feeling a bit lackluster, want to go to sleep all the time, but hey, it's the first week.
Normally we'd be doing a front squat, which would involve bar across the front of the body, not behind, nice deep squat and up again. Now these would actually be called bench squats because you sit down then push yourself up. You can do it as a deep squat, but it's a very awkward position to hold it in. Ideally your hands would be back like this, but this is very uncomfortable for me. I just want to see how Kev gets on with it.
Okay, that's 5.
Next exercise would be a bent over row. So you're looking at a nice bend, back nice and straight, and you're drawing the bar up into your stomach with your head raised. You're not looking to curl and do these short motions. It's a nice slow controlled motion up. Now, if you've got no stability in your legs, very difficult. So we're going to change it slightly to make it a bit more accessible. What we decided for this one, nice seated row. So if you haven't got much mobility, this will be ideal. Shoulder width grip, you can use this, a V-bar or handles. Lean back slightly and you're pulling it in to the top of your chest or your stomach. So you're pulling, you're trying to pull your shoulder blades together as you do this. You can go back at an angle. It all depends on how you can move against the bench. So with this bench, what I would suggest to do is to actually turn it around and put the angle up. So you've got something to lean against. For me it's fine. If I need to, I can put my feet up. But it's the same action without having to bend over, put weight on your knees, or put weight on your back. So
Okay.
Nice angle in, and he's drawing his elbows close to his sides, squeezing his shoulder blades together and pulling it down to the top of his stomach. So engaging the same muscles but with less, well, no strain on the knee there. And we're doing 5 sets of 5 reps to begin with. Next exercise, nice dip. I've only just recently started doing these, but I've noticed the improvement in overall strength and mobility with this exercise. Bringing myself up, knees off the floor, bend down to 90 degrees, come back up. And you'll hear lots of cracking as my joints go. Once you can do about 8 to 10 reps comfortably, what we've got is a nice belt which we can hang weights off to make it harder. But what we're going to do is adjust this so Kev can do them. What we've done, we've sat Kev down. So this is kind of doing it in reverse. So rather than going down and up, he's going to go up then down, but no weight on his legs whatsoever, I hope. So this is an experiment and we're going for 5 to start with. Maybe even just one.
Nice shakies.
Nice shake. This is a really difficult exercise to do, but it benefits not only your triceps but your chest as well.
Oh, wimpy scream.
Wimpy scream. Very difficult. When's the last time you did a dip? I'm guessing about 1998 by the sound of it.
I think you're looking 1975, 76.
There you go. but good exercise. We go straight into single arm shoulder press. Nice and straight up. Nice 90-degree angle. All the way up, all the way down. Don't forget, single arm, you still need to do both sides. 5 sets of 5 again. Okay, doesn't matter what weight you use. I started with the bar, and that's all you need to get the action and the motion with the correct form. Going to hit the triceps again, just using the bar. Bring it behind your head, nice and controlled, extending out to get the action. If you want to support the arm, all good. Whatever's more comfortable for you. Don't forget, both sides. You might find your joints crack a lot. For this exercise, it's front cable row, but we haven't got the front cable because you need the cable on the floor. So we're just going to use the bar, bringing it up. Now don't go too high, so it's just about chin height. Bring it down, but don't let it come all the way down. Keep a little bit of tension in, bringing it up. We're going to do 3 sets of 10. After this, we'd finish with some seated calf raises by placing a weight on your legs and either alternating or at the same time. But Kev does this on the steps because putting weight on his knees would wreck him and make me laugh. So make sure you don't go too high. Keep the tension in the shoulders. And don't forget to breathe. If you've got a partner, shout encouragement like, it's all you, dig deep, push the envelope, lick the cat, smoke the cheese, burn the elf, anything that gets them going.
Okay, that's the end of the first week. My body's telling me I'm using things that I haven't used for quite some time, which is true. Feel very tired, strangely happy, but this is just the starting position. Weak as a kitten. I know that my mobility and my stamina is down. I know that my general fitness is through the floor, but I can only but try. So each month we'll be doing one of these videos. We're going to keep a record on what weight I'm using, and basically how my body's going. So thanks for watching, and you know, comment, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share it, care.
You have exercised for 40 minutes. Your current heart rate is 81.
That's not bad. Not good, but it's not bad. See you later, guys.